Welcome to Maintech. We make IT support simple. Here's how. We offer a unique service delivery model. We customize our services to fit your needs. We service your account with lifelong IT professionals. What distinguishes us from other service providers? We've been in business for over 40 years. Our technician retention rate is unsurpassed. We have a world-class reputation in the IT infrastructure industry. We offer multi-platform support for all major hardware, storage, and network systems. Over 90% of our technicians are full-time Maintech employees. We service your account 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, anywhere across the globe. We provide efficient, headache-free contract management. Our clients remain our clients. How do we meet your IT infrastructure support needs? We provide data center services, ITaaS managed services, hyperscale services, desktop services, and project services, all fully customized to your environment. We offer a wealth of experience to our clients around the globe. Whatever technologies you require now and in the future, we're here to support your IT infrastructure needs.